And the race is on, rushing up from the outside. Jaden Diamond, Janelle's episode. Hoki Hawk, Dugus Paramur. Fisher Champ running by the Rat Spellbinder. Wabi Sabi So Gorgeous. While Bay Area Babe is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Jade and Diamond by about 3 lengths, followed by Janelle's episode in second, Dugus Paramur. Oki Hook racing in fourth, fifth by the Spellbinder, and on the outside, Wabi Sabi Fisher Champ, and rounding the far turn, Jade and Diamond by about 3 lengths, Dugus Paramur, Janelle's episode, Oki Hook racing in fourth, and Spellbinder down on the inside, fifth, sixth, Fisher Champ, Wabi Sabi, as they race the final corner. Jade and Diamond by about 5 lengths, followed by Dugus Paramur, and on the outside is Hoki Hawk, Fisher Champ, Spellbinder, and during the last 150 meters more to run, Jade and Diamond by about 3 lengths, followed now by Fisher Champ on the outside, and during the finish line, Jade and Diamond winning this race by half a length over Fisher Champ. Spellbinder, Hoki Hawk took fourth.
Okay, 8-5.